Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Chromebook won't turn on HP and a quick troubleshooting guide. Number 1. Perform a visual inspection. Check for physical damage to the Chromebook. Inspect the Chromebook for cracks, dents or signs of damage near the charging port. If you notice physical damage, contact HP support for repair or replacement. Number 2. Verify the power source and charger. Ensure the charger and power outlet are functioning properly. Plug the AC adapter into a functioning wall outlet. Connect the charger to the Chromebook and check if any indicator lights turn on. Test with another compatible HP charger if no lights illuminate. Number 3. Charge the Chromebook. Allow the Chromebook to charge for a sufficient time. Connect the charger and let the Chromebook charge for at least 10 minutes. Check the battery indicator light. Amber is equal to charging. Green or white is equal to fully or nearly charged. If the battery is deeply discharged, charge for up to 24 hours. Number 4. Perform a hard reset. Reset the Chromebook's hardware to resolve potential system errors. Turn off the Chromebook. Press and hold the refresh key, circular arrow, and then press the power button. Release both keys when the Chromebook starts up. This reset hardware connections and resolve minor glitches. Number 5. Disconnect external devices. Remove peripherals that might interfere with the boot process. Unplug all external devices such as USB drives, external hard drives, or peripherals. Try turning on the Chromebook without any connected devices. Number 6. Contact HP support. Seek professional help if the issue persists. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact HP support. Provide them with details about the issue and the troubleshooting steps you have already taken. Visit an authorized HP service center for further diagnostics if needed. Thanks for watching.